Do you ever feel like your day controls you, instead of you controlling your day? Emails, text messages, random tasks, distractions are everywhere, but high achievers? They don't just react, they plan. Before chaos sets in, they pick up a pen and write down their top 3 priorities. Not everything, just the 3 that really matter. Because when you start with clarity, you end with results. Welcome to You Are Undefeated. Here are some ways to take control of your day and your life. 1. Start with clarity. Starting with clarity is the foundation of any successful endeavor. When you define your goals and intentions from the outset, you create a roadmap that guides every decision you make. Clear objectives help you focus your energy, avoid distractions, and measure your progress along the way. Whether you're launching a project, leading a team, or making personal changes, clarity empowers you to communicate effectively and align your actions with your vision, setting the stage for meaningful results. 2. Your mind needs a map. Just as a traveler relies on a map to navigate unfamiliar terrain, your mind benefits from a clear sense of direction. Without a mental map, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by choices and uncertainty. By outlining your priorities and breaking down larger goals into manageable steps, you empower yourself to move forward with confidence. This mental roadmap not only keeps you focused, but also provides reassurance during setbacks, reminding you of the path that leads to your destination. 3. Win the day before it starts. Winning the day before it starts means taking intentional steps to set yourself up for success. By preparing the night before, reviewing your schedule, setting priorities, and visualizing your goals, you enter the new day with clarity and purpose. This proactive approach reduces morning stress and helps you focus on what truly matters. When you start each day with a clear plan and a positive mindset, you build momentum that carries you through challenges and maximizes your productivity. 4. Busy is not productive. It's easy to mistake a packed schedule for genuine productivity, but being busy doesn't always mean you're making meaningful progress. True productivity is about focusing on high-impact tasks that align with your goals, rather than simply filling your day with activity. By identifying what truly matters and concentrating your efforts there, you can achieve more in less time. Remember, effectiveness comes from deliberate action, not just constant motion. Choose quality over quantity to move closer to your objectives. 5. Make your day work for you. To make your day truly work for you, begin by setting clear intentions each morning. Identify your top priorities and allocate focused time blocks to tackle them without distraction. Embrace the power of routines, allowing small, consistent habits to build momentum throughout your day. Remember to schedule breaks for reflection and renewal, ensuring sustained energy and creativity. By consciously designing your day, you transform routine hours into purposeful moments, moving closer to your goals with each mindful choice. 6. The power of 3. Harnessing the power of 3 can transform how we approach our goals and daily routines. By focusing on just 3 key tasks each day, we avoid overwhelm and channel our energy into what truly matters. This method encourages us to identify our top priorities, ensuring that our efforts lead to meaningful progress. Whether applied to work projects or personal habits, the rule of 3 creates clarity, keeps us motivated, and helps us celebrate small but significant victories along the way. 7. Success is a daily choice. Success isn't a one-time event. It's a daily choice, shaped by the actions and attitudes we adopt each morning. Every day presents a new opportunity to commit to our goals, no matter how small the progress may seem. By consistently choosing to prioritize what matters, we build habits that compound over time. Embracing setbacks as learning moments and celebrating incremental achievements transforms success from a distant dream into a lived reality, crafted one intentional day at a time. Success doesn't happen by accident, it happens by design. So tomorrow morning, before you check your phone, before the noise starts, sit down, take a deep breath, and write down 3 things that really matter. Do them. Win today. Because when you control your focus, you control your future. Start with purpose. End with power. Don't forget you are undefeated. If you find the video helpful, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Thanks.